Hey, coffee lovers! If your morning's feeling complete without that perfect cup of coffee, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my top picks for the best single-serve coffee makers that make brewing at home quick, easy, and delicious. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Keurig K-Classic. First up, the Keurig K-Classic single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker. This one's a timeless favorite for a reason. It's super easy to use with 3 brew sizes, 6, 8 or 10 ounces, and a 48-ounce water tank that lets you brew several cups before refilling. Cleaning is effortless thanks to its auto-clean and descaling features, and the auto-off function saves energy. Pros: simple controls, fast brewing, and a large water tank. Cons: the plastic build and lack of temperature control. But overall, it's a reliable choice for anyone who wants a quick, consistent cup every morning. Number 2. Keurig K-Express. Next, we have the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Sleek, compact, and perfect for small spaces or budgets. It brews in minutes with options for 8, 10, or 12 ounces. I love the strong brew button. It adds that bold, extra kick of flavor. Pros: fast brewing, compact design, strong brew option, and easy cleanup. Cons: plastic build and limited customization. If you're after speed and simplicity, this Keurig makes it effortless to upgrade your morning routine. Number 3. Ninja Pods and Grounds. Coming in third, the Ninja Pods and Grounds single-serve coffee maker. This one's a game changer. You can brew with both K-Cup pods and coffee grounds. Its thermal flavor extraction duo ensures rich, flavorful coffee every single time. With a 56-ounce reservoir and dishwasher-safe parts, it's both convenient and low maintenance. Pros: dual brew options, compact design, and large water tank. Cons: plastic build and limited color choices. If you love versatility and taste, this one deserves a spot on your counter. Number 4. Keurig K-Lite. Number 4. The Keurig K-Lite single-serve coffee maker. This one's the premium pick with a stunning brush slate design. It offers adjustable temperature and brew strength, plus a hot water button for tea or instant soups. The 75-ounce water reservoir is a dream for families or heavy coffee drinkers. Pros: customizable brew strength, large capacity, quick brewing. Cons: slightly bulky and made of plastic. It's stylish, powerful, and perfect for anyone who wants total control over their coffee experience. Number 5. Keurig K-Slim. Finally, the Keurig K-Slim single-serve coffee maker, a small wonder for tight spaces. At less than 5 inches wide, it still brews rich coffee in minutes. With 3 brew sizes and a removable 46-ounce reservoir, it's perfect for daily use. Pros: compact, fast, easy to clean, and energy efficient. Cons: single-serve only and a plastic feel. If you're short on space but big on taste, the K-Slim is your go-to. So, there you have it. 5 amazing single-serve coffee makers that cater to every need, from budget-friendly to premium. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest reviews and home essentials.